when we go up, there's a real sharp turning right. It's fine, it's not that bad a turning, but the cars coming out to turn left to come back down towards us will swing right out.
Yeah.
I don't care if they knock that fucker off from Yeovil, we don't like him.
I resemble that remark.
Of course, Steve can't hear all this, can he?
No.
Peasant. We all ready?
Yeah.
Steve ready?
I'm ready.
Wow.
Yeah, I turned my comms on just after the conversation you had about me.
Well, we can rerun it if you want.
It's annoying when you get ready and you realise you haven't got your keys. Like, oh, bollocks. We'll
What's
catch you
even
up,
more
boys.
annoying is when you get ready and then realise some other fucker hasn't got his keys.
When we come up,
Yeah, because
when
you
we
got
come up through, there's a bad right-hander on a junction. All right.
Steve says,
he's going to have that on his headstone, isn't he?
He's off again, isn't he?
ding dong, oh, life could be a dream.
I think the medicine's wearing off.
Great little curve, that one.
Yeah.
Ah, listen, cash cunt. Mind that drain cover there if you're accelerating up the hill.
Alright, tighty righty.
In a minute.
Very tighty-righty.
That tighty righty's a fucking, a what's name lane, isn't it? Escape lane. I suggest first gear here. See what I mean? Like, go on. Go on. Oh, she's waving us up.
Oh, great.
There's only 6 of us. We all round it?
Nearly. Yeah, we are now.
That's a lovely little gaff, isn't it, look?
Cheers, isn't it?
Now, Stu, there is a cafe here somewhere in Linton that does the biker brew. I think it's going to be a bit blowy down the valley for the
Yeah, I think you
drones.
might be right.
Look at the old
Awnings.
fucking canopies.
Awnings.
Oh, fucking hell, what's this lot? Little puglet.
I knew you reminded me of something.
Steve was doing an impression of a pug. And then he fucking, it won't fucking start! I love it that it goes into a 60 just in time for the head-butting goats.
Yes, ideal that is.
Car coming. Welcome to Valley of the Rocks. Got your 360 on, Dave? I think it might be a bit blowy for said drones.
Yeah. Yeah,
It might
definitely.
It might be just a slow ride down through, round and roundabout and back up.
Yeah. No goats.
I don't know where they are, look. They're not here today.
They've got sense, they've taken cover.
Yeah.
It's a
They
beautiful
don't,
place,
they don't
isn't it?
normally give a fuck, they goats. Hard as fucking nails. It's strange, isn't it? It's almost prehistoric.
I know. You notice there's nobody on top of the rock today.
Nah, nobody up there perching, taking selfies over the edge now, is there?
Yeah. Go on, nice. Put your drone up and watch it go.
It is a tad gusty, isn't it?
I believe this place was carved out in the Ice Age, wasn't it?
It was what?
Carved out in the Ice Age.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, the river got
I don't think anyone
this
carved
way.
it, Steve. I think it's natural.
No, it definitely said carved.
Ah, there's a car park here, look.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a shitter, isn't it?
It does, yeah. Lovely little road. It's just a bit green and slippery, isn't it?
Well, I really don't think it's wise to stick a drone up here.
No, I don't.
Don't get him started on stories of sticking things up somewhere.
No. Nigel's proctologist who has PTSD.
You don't want to whack your drone up then, Dave? Yeah.
Very wise.
I mean, even if you stuck to just flying it up through the little valley bit, it's going to be bloody all over the show.
It would.
It is, isn't it?
Are you in earshot of Steve, Stu? Are you in earshot of Steve?
I can be.
Oh, can you tell me?
Well, you don't need to ask what you're going to tell him.
Nige would like to tell you something, but you can guess what it is, can't you? Nige would like to tell you something. You can guess what it is. Yeah.
Does Steve want to put
I
his
think
drone
he does,
up?
yeah.
Does he want to put his drone up?
Unlikely.
You don't want to put your drone up, do you? No. No.
He would be bye.
She is.
I'm going to go round again then.
Let's go round again.
Look at Steve with his fucking chamois out.
He's what's known in the medical trade as a
I know. I think that's a proper. That's an official diagnosis, isn't it? If he looks on his NHS app, it's on there.
yeah, existing problems.
Diagnosed in 2001. For the amusement. Hours.
Hours and hours.
Yeah.
Do you reckon Steve's back's gone and he can't get up?
He lay on his back like a fucking tortoise.
Hey, gives a job, gives a job. Hey,
now.
That's a right old 70s porn star tash, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey,
Lordy.
calm down.
He biffs her.
A goat!
Where?
Just above that Audi, look.
Oh, yeah.
And another one.
Oh, and another one.
Fuck me, how did we miss them? There's probably hundreds of them there.
Oh, yeah. There's a whole tribe of them.
Fucking camouflaged.
Yeah, that was a big fucking wave, wasn't it, to get that up here?
It was, yeah.
Dave's going to go and steal a goat.
Yeah.
You watch it. I want to try and film him trying to squeeze one of them goats into the pannier.
I want to film him putting a unicorn on one.
I don't reckon you'll get to stick it on his head, Dave, but you might just pop it up his jacksie.
Another one over there. That's 3.
Just remind me again, why do I come out with you lot?
Look at the horns on that bastard.
Yeah.
He's there going, it seemed like a good idea to come out with these tossers.
Yeah.
I bet he's on the phone to his therapist.
He's fucked off the other way.
yeah, he sneaked off. I'm pretty sure this is classed as foreplay down our way.
Yeah. I don't know.
I said, I reckon his back's gone, he can't get up. You're going down? We said, I bet he's fucked off the other way to get away from us.
So he's going off-road.
Every time I look over there, there's one more goat.
Well, folks, this is the faff stop to end all faff stops. Steve, is that still flashing red?
It's not recording.
Fuck's sake.